This mud volcano in southern Taiwan has erupted approximately 11 times in the last 3.5 years. Mud volcanoes are very different to your normal hot lava and ash producing volcanoes. Mud volcanoes, as the name suggests, is a volcano that erupts mud. So that is a mixture of water, sediment, usually clay, and lots of gas. Every so often, there's a new eruption under a brand new vent that can be anywhere within a few kilometers of the main mud volcano.